Introducing Galaxy AI. The App Store of AI tools is finally here. You can use over 2,000 AI tools easily, including text, images, code, videos, and academic research, all in one platform. Just follow the link in the description of this video, and you can start using cool tools like ChatGPT 4.5, Claude 3.7, DeepSeek R1, Midjourney, Flux, Minimax, Kling, Perplexity, Runway, Luma, and many more, all in one place. So in this video, I'll show you how to use these tools and how the Galaxy AI platform works so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money on AI tools. When you click the link in the description of this video, you will be brought to this interface, where you'll be asked to join over 1 million happy users. Then click Get Started for free. Here, sign up with your Apple, Gmail, or fill out the form to continue. Once you have done that, then, you are brought to this interface, where it all happens, and now you can start using these tools. Let me show you what you can do with Galaxy AI. First, chat with top AI models. With Galaxy AI, you can chat with your top AI models like ChatGPT 4.5, DeepSeek R1, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Llama 3.3, Perplexity, Grok 2, and more. Secondly, generate stunning AI images. Use tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, Ideogram, Leonardo Phoenix, WeCraft V3, DALL-E 3, Google Imagen 3 to generate images for your creations. Thirdly, make viral videos with AI. With AI tools like Minimax, Kling, Luma, Pika, Pixverse, VO2, OnePro, Vidu, and many more, you can create your viral videos. Fourthly, use the most powerful AI search engine. Here are some AI search engine tools that does it all in Galaxy AI. These tools help with tasks like AI answers, deep research, web and URL search, weather updates, run code, maps and locations, YouTube with transcripts, academic and X search, track flights, find movies and shows. Number 5. Galaxy AI has 2,100 plus AI tools for everyday tasks. There are tools for AI headshot generator, AI YouTube summarizer, AI text editor, AI fact checker, AI music generator, AI clothes changer, AI interior design generator, AI voice cloner, AI audio isolator, and so many more. Now let me show you more reasons why you will love Galaxy AI. Firstly, you can cancel your other AI subscriptions. Next, you can earn 30% lifetime commission as an affiliate. New AI tools are usually added every week. Galaxy AI is super affordable. You get all these tools for $15 per month. It is built for creators, marketers, developers, and so on. So what are you waiting for? Sign up with Galaxy AI now. Wondering where to sign up? Just follow the link in this video description and sign up using your email or Apple. Please don't forget to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, like and share this video and ensure you turn on the notification for more content like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.